So welcome once again to this channel and thank you for choosing this video. Now 2023 WASSCE results, that is the November-December, that is private candidate. The results has been released by the West African Examination Council. So you can just go to the WAEC direct.org, that is the official website for results checker. You can go there and check your results. So in this video, I'll walk you through how you'll be able to check your results. Now, before you can check your results, you need about 3 or 4 things. The first thing that you need is the index number. You also need your date of birth, the year of the examination, and the most important thing is that the results checker voucher. You also need a voucher before you can also check your results. Now for the voucher, you need to buy it. The voucher is not free. So if you want to get a voucher to check your private results, that is the November-December results is out, you can check it right away because the West African Examination Council has released the provisional results and it's out now, and you can just go to the WAEC direct.org, their website, to check it. But you need a voucher code. So if you want the voucher code, you can pick the number on the screen. You just call me and then I'll help you out to get a voucher code. Or if you have a voucher code and you want to just check your results, I'll pin the link in the description. You just tap on it and then it will take you to this place where you have to fill in your index number, the year of the examination, that is 2023, and then you also have to enter your date of birth. Now this is different from the normal school. This is private, so the exams type is what? Private. You select private, WASSCE private, and then you enter your, that is date of birth. Make sure you don't forget that you have to enter your date of birth. But the normal WAEC one, that is the school one, you don't need to enter your date of birth. But the private, you need to enter your date of birth, and then you confirm, you enter the serial number, that is the password, and then the serial number. Okay, so after you are done, you confirm your index number and then you hit on submit to check your result. If you want me to check your result for you and send it to you through WhatsApp, I can also do that, but it's not going to be free. You will pay for it, and it's very cheaper than going to internet cafe to check your result there. So if you want me to check it for you, you can just pick the number on the screen. You just contact me. I'll help you to get a voucher code. Please, terms and conditions apply. It's not going to be free, so take note of that. When you're coming to my DM, you have to bear in mind that you're going to buy the voucher code. It's not free, and if you want me to check, I'll also charge you for checking. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you. Bye bye.